Good morning, students. In the last class, we are discussing about polynomials. In today's class, let us learn more about the polynomials. More about the polynomials. That is the topic is zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of a polynomial. Zeros of a polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial. Consider the polynomial. Consider the polynomial. Consider the polynomial. P of x is equal to 5x cubed minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2. Find polynomial of 1. Find polynomial of 1. Observe a student, polynomial of 1. Where there is a x, put the value of x is equal to 1. 5 into 1 cube, 2 into 1 square, 3 into 1 minus 2. So 5 into 1 is multiplied by 1000 times, the value is 1. 1 cube is 1 minus 2 into 1 square is 1. 3 ones are 3 minus 2. 5 ones are 5. 2 ones are 2 plus 3 minus 2. Take positive on one side, positive integer on one side, negative integer on one side. Plus 5 plus 3, 8. Plus 5 plus 3, 8. Minus 2 become minus 4. Minus 2. So many students have got the doubt. Minus 2 is equal to minus 4. So many students write minus 2 is equal to plus 4. No. Minus 2 is minus 4. So again 8 minus 4, 4. Put the greater number sign. 1 is plus. We have the basic operation. The main important thing that we have noted down here, when both are plus, add and write the plus sign. Both are plus, add and write the plus sign. Both are minus, add and write the minus sign. One is plus and another is minus. Subtract and write greater number sign. Greater number sign. Ditto, 1 is minus. Both are plus, add. Both are minus, add. 1 plus and 1 minus. Subtract and write the greater number sign. Again subtract and write the greater number sign. This is a very important thing that we have to note for our future mathematics. So, consider the polynomial P of x equals 5x cubed minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2. Find polynomial of 1. 5 into 1 cube, 2 into 1 square, 3 into 1 minus 2. 1 cube is 1, 5 ones are 5, 1 twos are 2, plus 3 minus 2, plus 5 plus 3, 8, minus 2 minus 4, 8 minus 4, 4. So the value of P of 1 is equal to plus 4. Now consider one more example. P of x is equal to 5x cubed minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2. Find P of 0. Find P of 0. P of 0. 5 into 0 cube. 2 into 0 square, 3 into 0 minus 2. 5 into 0 cube is 0, 2 into 0 square is 0, 3 into 0 minus 2. You have to remember any number multiplied by 0, the product is 0. So 5 into 0, 0, 2 into 0, 0, 3 into 0, 0, minus 2. So P of 0 is equal to minus 2. P of 0 is minus 2. Listen here students. Polynomial of 0 is minus 2. You have to remember any number multiplied by 0, the product is 0. We have to note down when both are plus, add and write the plus sign. Both are minus, add and write the minus sign. One is plus, another is minus. Subtract and write the greater number sign. One is minus, another is plus. Subtract and write the greater number sign. Now, P of x is equal to 5x2 minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2. Find polynomial of minus 1. Polynomial of minus 1. 5 into minus 1 whole cube. 2 into minus 1 whole square. 3 into minus 1 minus 2. I want to tell you one technique, my dear student. Minus 1 whole cube. Here is an odd number. Put the minus. 5 into 3 is an odd number. What is the 5 minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. Minus 2 into, here is an even number. This becomes plus 1. Add number minus, even number plus. So, plus into minus, minus 3 ones are 3, minus 2. Plus into minus, minus, minus 5. Plus into minus, minus 2. Minus 3, minus 2. Minus 5, minus 2, minus 3, minus 2. So total sign is minus. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. What is the value? Minus 12. P of minus 1 is minus 12. P of minus 1 is minus 12. Now, we are going to solve some more problems. Find the value of each of the following polynomials at the indicated value of variable. At the indicated value of variables. First one is P of x is equal to 5x square minus 3x plus 7 at x is equal to 1. At x is equal to 1. P of 1, 5 into 1 square, 3 into 1 plus 7. 5 into 1 is multiplied by any time the value is 1. Plus into minus, minus 3 plus 7. 5 ones are 5, minus 3 plus 7. Here is this is plus, this is plus. 7 plus 5, 12. Minus 3, that is equal to 9. P of 1 is equal to 9. What is the value of P of 1? 9. Now, P of 1 is 1. Now consider one more. Q of y is equal to 3y cube minus 4y plus root 11 at y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2. Q of 2, 3 into 2 cube, 4 into 2 plus root 11, 3 into. So many students got confusing. 2 cube is nothing but 2 cube is equal to 2 is multiplied 3 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. minus 4 2s are 8 plus root 11. 8 3s are 24 minus 8 plus root 11. 24 minus 8 16. Greater number plus 16 plus root 11. 16 plus root 11. Next one is P of t is equal to 4t to the power of 4 plus 5t cube minus t square plus 6 and t is equal to a. T is equal to a. T is equal to a. Polynomial of a 4 into a to the power of 4, 5 into a cube, 40a square plus 6, 4 a to the power of 4, a into a into a into a into a to the power of 5 into a into a cube minus a square plus 6. And also here also the very important thing, these cannot be added because these are all unlike terms. This is a to the power of 4, this is a cube, this is a square, this is a constant term, the value is as it is. Now we will pass on to some more problems based on this. P of x is equal to x minus 1, find P of 1. Find P of 1. P of x is equal to x minus 1, find P of 1, 1 minus 1 that is equal to 0. Find the value of the polynomial. Find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at number 1 x is equal to 0, number 2 x is equal to minus 1, number 3 x is equal to 2. Find the value of each of the following. First one, this is polynomial of x, polynomial of 0. 5 into 0, in the place of x substitute 0. 4 into 0 square plus 3. I have already told you, any number multiplied by 0, the product is 0. 4 into 0 square is 0 plus 3, 0. 4 into 0, 0 plus 3. Answer is 0. Polynomial of 0 is 3. Next, polynomial of x equal 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Polynomial of minus 1. 5 into minus 1. 4 into minus 1 square plus 3. Plus into minus minus, 5 ones are 5, minus 4 into, this is even number, it becomes plus 3, minus 5, plus into minus minus, 4 ones are 4, plus 3, you know, both are minus 4 and minus 5, minus 9 plus 3, one is minus, another is plus, subtract and write the greater number side, 9 minus 3, 6. But greater number minus 6. The answer is minus 6. The last one, P of x is equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. P of 2 that is equal to 5 into 2, 4 into 2 square plus 3. 5 2s are 10 minus 4 into 2 2s are 4 plus 3. 10 minus 4 4s are 16 plus 3. This is plus. Both are plus. Add 10 plus 3, 13. 13 minus 16. One is plus, another is minus. Subtract. 13 minus 16, 3. What type of 3? Great number sign, minus 3. Please note down, my dear student. I want to explain it once again because in the basic of the mathematics, P of x equal 5x minus 4x square plus 3 when not x is equal to 0. Put the value 0. 5 into 0, 0. 0 square 0 plus 3. Told you once again, any number multiplied by 0, the product is 0. So 5 into 0, 4 into 0 plus 3, 0 plus 3, that is plus 3. Again, minus 1, 5 ones are 5, minus 5, minus 1 square. Here is an even number, the value become plus. Here is an odd number, the value become minus. 5 minus 5 plus 6 minus 4 plus 3. See what is here? Very important step. Minus 5 and minus 4. When both are minus, we have to add and write minus sign. Minus 5 and minus 4, minus 9 plus 3. One is minus, another is plus. We have to subtract and write the better number sign. Minus 9 plus 3 is minus 6. Second one, polynomial of 2. 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 square plus 3. 5 2s are 10. 2 2s are 4. 4 4s are 16 plus 3. 10 minus 16 plus 3. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 minus 6, both are plus. 13 minus 16. 13 minus 16 is subtract, greater number is minus 16, so it is minus 3. Now I will pass on to some other problems. Find P of 0, P of 1, P of 2. Find P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2 for each of the following polynomials. Each of the following polynomials. First one is P of y is equal to y square minus y plus 1. We are going to substitute all these values. First one is 0, second one is 1. First one is P of 0. 0 square minus 0 plus 1. 0 square is 0 minus 0 plus 1. The answer is plus 1. P of 0 is equal to plus 1. Next, P of y is equal to y square minus y plus 1. P of 1, 1 square minus 1 plus 1. 1 ones are 1 minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. What you get here? 1. P of 1 is equal to 1. Next one is P of y is equal to y square minus y plus 1. P of 2, that is equal to 2 square minus 2 plus 1. 2 2s are 4 minus 2 plus 1. Here is take like numbers, that is right side numbers on one side. Plus 4 plus 1, 5 minus 2. One is plus, another is minus. Subtract 5 minus 2, 3. Greater number 1 plus 3. See? This is P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2. Now we substitute some other problems. Next one is, next problem, P of t is equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. Polynomial of 0. P of t is equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. Polynomial of t is equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. First one is polynomial of 0. 2 plus 0 plus 2 into 0 square minus 0 cube. 2 plus 0. 0 square is 0. Any number multiplied by 0, 0. Any number multiplied by 0, 0. The value is 2. One student has result plus 0 minus 0. No problem. The 0 has no value. Polynomial of 1. 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 square minus 1 cube. 2 plus 1. 1 square is 1. 1 2s are 2. Minus 1 cube is 1. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. Polynomial of 2. 2 plus 2 square t. The value of t become 2 minus 2q. 2 plus 2 twos are 4. 4 twos are 8 minus 2 twos are 4. 2 is multiplied by 3 times, not 2 threes are 6. 2 is multiplied by 3 times, 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. Plus 8 minus 8 cancel, 2 plus 2, 4. So next problem. P of x equals x cube. P of x equals x cube. P of x equals x cube. That is equal to 0. 0 cube is nothing but 0. P of 1 cube is 1. P of 2 cube. What is that 2 cube? 8, not 6. 2 is multiplied by 3 times. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. Therefore, P of 2 is equal to 2. P of 1 is equal to 1. P of 0 is equal to 0. Next one is P of x equals x minus 1 into x plus 1. P of x is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. P of x is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. Put 0. 0 minus 1. 0 plus 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 0 plus 1, not multiply, we have what? 0 plus 1. Any number added to 0, we get the same number. Any number multiplied to 0, the product is 0. So, what is 0 plus 1? 1. Plus into minus, minus. 1 ones are 1. P of 1. 1 minus 1. 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 into 0, 0. Because, once again, any number multiplied by 0, the product is 0. Next one is P of 2. That is equal to 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. Like this, we are going to solve some other problem based on this. Now, every real number is every real number. Do you know real number, my dear students? Real number. We have the concept of real number. What is a real number? In the number system, we are learning so many things. Real numbers, natural number, odd number, even number. Rational and irrational numbers are grouped under one set. That is called real number set or real numbers. Now, check whether every real number is a zero of the zero polynomial. Is a zero of zero polynomial. Every real number is a zero of the zero polynomial. It is one concept. Next we'll pass on to check whether minus 2 and 2 are zeros of polynomial x plus 2. Check whether minus 2 and 2 are zeros of the polynomial x plus 2. That is, polynomial of x is equal to x plus 2. Minus 2, polynomial of minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2. What is minus 2 plus 2? 0. When we get the value 0, so minus 2 is a ZP. ZP means zero polynomial. Short form. Minus 2 is a zero polynomial of x plus 2. Zero polynomial of x plus 2. Next, P of x is equal to x plus 2. Which one is 2? Polynomial of 2. 2 plus 2. But you get 4. If we get the answer 0, it is a zero polynomial. If we not get the answer 0, therefore plus 2 is not a ZP. ZP means what? Zero polynomial. No. Find verify whether the following are zeros of polynomial as indicated against them. P of x is equal to 3x plus 1. X is equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay? P of x is equal to 3. What is x here? Minus 1 by 3. Plus 1. Plus 3 minus 3 cancel. Minus 1 and plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 become what? 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is a ZP means what? Zero polynomial of 3x plus 1. Zero polynomial of 3x plus 1. Next I will pass on to one more problem. P of x is equal to 5x minus 5. X is equal to 4 by 5. Okay, 5 into what is the value of x? 4 by 5 minus 5. 5 cancel. 4 minus 5. So we not get the 0. Therefore, x is equal to 4 by 5 is not a zero polynomial. Is not a zero polynomial. Next one is P of x is equal to x square minus 1. X is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 1. P of 1, 1 square minus 1. 1 ones are 1. 1 minus 1, 0. P of 1 is equal to 0. P of x is equal to x square minus 1. What is the value? P of minus 1. So, when you get the 0, therefore what is your opinion? X is equal to 1 is a ZP of x square minus 1. If we get the answer as 0, so x is equal to 1 is a zero polynomial of x square minus 1. This is minus 1 square minus 1. Minus into minus plus 1 ones are 1 minus 1 cancel, that is equal to 0. What is your opinion now? Minus 1 is also a. Yes. Yes. Minus into minus plus 1. Minus 1. 1 ones are 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 1 become plus 1. So, minus 1 is also a ZP of x square minus 1. Now, next one. P of x is equal to 5x minus P of x equals x plus 1 into x minus 2 at x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2. X is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2. P of minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1. Put x is equal to minus 1. Here put minus 1 minus 2. Plus 1 minus 1 what you get? 0. Can anybody? Answer for this one, minus 1 minus 2 is what? Minus 3. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Minus 3 into 0, 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 is a zero polynomial of x plus 1 into x minus 2. Second one, p of x is equal to x plus 1 into x minus 2. What is x? 2. P of 2. 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 2. Put value x. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 into 0, 0. Therefore, x is equal to 2 is a zero polynomial of x plus 1 into x minus 2. Like this, we are going to solve any problem based on this. Now, I will pass on to one more. When we observe, when the problem is given, when you see at a time, at once we answer. First one is p of x is equal to x square. X is equal to 0. Without calculating, we have to answer for this one because 0 square. 0 square is 0. So 0 is a zero polynomial of x square. Next one is, so this is very important. P of x is equal to Lx plus m. X is equal to minus m divided by L. So L, what is x? Minus m divided by L plus m. L and L cancel. What do you get here? Minus m plus m. Plus m minus m becomes 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus m by L is a zero polynomial of Lx plus m. Is a zero polynomial of Lx plus m. Next, some more twisted problems, friends. P of x equal 3x square minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 by root 3. X is equal to 2 by root 3. Some twisted question we are going to observe here. P of x, what is x? Minus 1 by root 3. 3 into minus 1 by root 3 whole square minus 1. That is equal to 3 into minus into minus plus 1 ones are 1. Please listen here. Root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3, root of 9. What is the value of root 9? 3. You have to by heart 20 square. Please write this in your reading room. Write this, very important, because you are going to learn the mathematics by following this rule always. Next, write 20 squares. I will write 20 squares, please. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100, 11 square 121, 12 square 144, 13 square 169, 14 square 196, 15 square 225, 16 square 256, 17 square 289, 18 square 324, 19 square 361, 20 square 400, 21 square 441, 22 square 484, 23 square 23 into 23. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 529. 24 square 576. 25 square 625. Up to this stage, there is no necessity of learning this. You learn only up to this stage. 20 square. There are, and what I have written, when both are plus, add and write the plus sign. Both are minus, add and write the minus sign. One is plus, another is minus. Subtract, write the greater number sign. Minus and plus, subtract and write the greater. That is the basics of mathematics.